Hello, everyone. hVI provides glycerol quantitation kits that use handheld fluorometers to measure glycerol concentration quickly. This fluorescence detection method has the advantages of rapid measurement, easy operation, high sensitivity, and accuracy. Glycerol is widely used in foods, beverages, and pharmaceutical formulations. It is also a main byproduct of biodiesel production. Simple, direct and automation-ready procedures for measuring glycerol concentrations find wide applications. The glycerol assay uses a single working reagent that combines glycerol kinase, glycerol phosphate oxidase and color reactions in one step. The fluorescence intensity is directly proportional to glycerol concentration in the sample. The assay performance is shown below. Sensitive and accurate. Use as little as 10 microliter samples. Linear detection range, 2 to 100 micromolar, 18 to 920 microgram deciliter, or 0.18 to 9.20 parts per million. Simple and convenient. The procedure involves addition of a single working reagent and incubation for 20 minutes at room temperature. Improved reagent stability. The optimized formulation has greatly enhanced the reagent and signal stability. The following is the assay procedure. Prepare glycerol standard and enough working reagent first, and then prepare blank tube, standard tube and sample tube. Next, calibrate the fluorometer and measure samples. The glycerol concentration will be displayed in the window. The following is the product information. The glycerol assay kit is sufficient for approximately 200 assays. The kit includes assay buffer, enzyme mix, adenosine triphosphate, dye reagent, and glycerol standard. The product also includes 100 mini glass tubes and the fluorometer. The fluorometer comes with a 5 volts direct current power adapter, a USB cable, manual, and data management software CD. We offer the Glycerol Quantitation kit that uses a handheld fluorometer to measure glycerol concentration. With a portable fluorometer, it can do a rapid detection and obtain the test results rapidly. If you have other detection requirements or customized requirements, please contact us. Thank you.